Hi, today we are at 2774 Hamilton Circle. That's off 25th Street off Vernon. It's not too far from the George Carver Washington Elementary School. We've got Scout Park here. Right across the street, got some playground area there. Very nice. Nice little street here. Let's go in and take a look. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath home with 2 large bedrooms, which makes it very comfortable. Okay, this opens up into a large living area here. Tiled throughout. AC unit is right here. There's several different ways that you can set up your furniture. Got a spot here for a little dinette set right here. Nice kitchen area. Wood cabinets. Back here we have the laundry area, and the dryer is right here. Let's go and check out the bedrooms. Nice clean bath, everything looks new here. Nice shower. This is very nice right here. A nice pantry for towels and accessories. This is a very large bedroom. Definitely get a king-size bed in here. There's a place here for a dresser or a chest or drawers. Double closet. This is another nice sized bedroom. Probably get a king-size bed in here as well. Got a double closet. Freshly painted. This is the smaller bedroom. I would say at least a single for sure, but double bed maybe come across this way on this wall. Okay, very nice, nice and clean, freshly painted. Got a nice park across the street. There you go. Nice place. Until next time.